welcome to my channel. This is Shimmer, my tame canary. In today's video I want to show you my other canaries. Sherbert and Sweety have had babies and they're adorable. I want to show you some footage of them, and both the mother and father are feeding them. So let's have a look. Hope you enjoyed my video. Weren't they cute? They're so fluffy and small and all begging for food, and they look pretty healthy to me so far anyways. So thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do and hit that bell icon. That way you'll get my upload notifications of my next video, as I will be making videos of them as they grow. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.